today I'm reviewing the Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Waterfacial Mask. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com. Check my Patreon community or click on the Amazon link below. And I did not plan this ahead of time, but my nails match. Although I always wear blue. I love blue nails. Lincoln, you want to come say hi quick? Lincoln. He's very distracted right now, but you can see his tail. And there he goes. Okay, so I did an initial first impressions when I first tried this product, but now I've been using it pretty regularly since it came out. I want to say that was it was right around the holidays. So about 6 months ago, I've went through a few bottles of it. So anyway, I thought I would do my full review now that I've really had a chance to try it out. So Drunk Elephant calls it a cooling, hydrating overnight mask that plumps with an electrolyte cocktail while supporting the skin's natural acid mantle. It's for normal, dry, combination, oily skin types, or I guess every skin type they're saying. Helps with loss of firmness, elasticity, dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. I don't necessarily know so much about the uneven skin tone, but most of those it does help with, and I'll discuss that in a moment. So, okay, my first criteria, packaging. No issues with the packaging. Very effective, functional, recyclable. So no real issues with that. In terms of alcohol, it does not contain any denatured or drying types of alcohol, so that's always a good thing. Then when we get to fragrance, it has no fragrance and no noticeable scent like almost every Drunk Elephant product. The manufacturing location for this one is in the U.S. Again, no issues with that. Ease of use. So personally, the way I use this is towards the very end of my routine, I'll mix a pump of this and a pump of my retinol that I use, which right now I'm using the Drunk Elephant retinol, but I like the Paula's Choice retinol. So sometimes I'll just mix it with a little bit of retinol just because typically retinol at full strength can be drying. Even though I've been using retinol for several years now, I just like to mix with a little bit of moisturizer just so my skin doesn't get too dry. I'll mix it, I'll apply it at the very end of my routine, and then after that I will apply the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream over that. So that's how I like using it, but you can use this as the very last step in your skincare routine. You can use it to mix it with retinols or oils. If you want to mix it with an oil to make it a little bit more hydrating, you can do that. Or you can just use it as if you have oilier skin, maybe just use this alone as your nighttime product. So very easy to use, plays well with other products. It does have like little capsule-like things in there. I did get a couple in there. And typically I've tried some products that have the capsule things in there that don't really burst, and then you end up with like little specks on your skin. This one does not have that problem at all, which was my biggest concern when I was going to try this out, was the capsule things, but they burst very easily and no issues at all. No pilling. I've never had pilling with this and anything else. So overall, very easy to use. Yeah. So they also, Drunk Elephant also recommends that it can be layered over their virgin marula oil for an extra shot of absorbable moisture. The virgin marula oil is great, but personally, for like $80 less, I think the Ordinary's marula oil is great too. But no opinions. I mean, whatever you like. So very easy to use. Then we get to antioxidants, and this has a long ingredient list, and pretty much all of the ingredients serve a function and a purpose, which is nice. So we've got Squalane, which is pretty high up there, which is a good antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. Niacinamide, great for so many different things. It's great for brightening the skin, helping with pores, helps heal and strengthen the skin barrier, helps prevent breakouts, which is good because the next ingredient is olive oil, which some people might be kind of acneogenic to, but olive oil is very hydrating. Then we've got some of the electrolytes in there, the coconut alkanes, coconut water, and then a little bit further down the list, we've got the sodium PCA, magnesium PCA, and prickly pear extract, which are all electrolytes. And most of you are probably familiar with electrolytes, like in things like Gatorade, to help you, if you're sweating a lot, you lose salt. And when you're salt, their sodium levels go down. not great things happen. So Gatorade puts some of those in there so you stay hydrated and your salt is okay. So it's kind of the same theory for the skin. Electrolytes help with so many different things. It helps maintain skin hydration. Also, the older your skin gets, it ages, and the more you age, it's potential loss of electrolytes there. Electrolytes also help the water balance throughout all the layers of the skin. There's so many different layers, and it kind of helps that all pass through from one to the next. So it helps your entire skin stay hydrated. Yeah, so electrolytes are a very good thing. Paula's Choice has their electrolyte moisturizer, which if you have acne-prone skin, I'd probably go with the Drunk Elephant, which is a first. But this one's also a decent product and a little bit more affordable, so something worth keeping in mind. Okay, then we've got some other good ingredients. We've got jojoba seed oil, marula oil, which are great hydrating antioxidant oils, which are high in fatty acids and amino acids. Then we've got linseed or flaxseed oil, which is rich in omega acids, also great for anti-inflammatory purposes. Quercetin, which is a good antioxidant, which I don't see in a lot of products. It's kind of rare, I think, to see that pop up, so that's nice. Good antioxidant, also very good for skin soothing. Quercetin is a bioflavonoid ingredient that comes from different plant extracts. Then we've got ferulic acid, a great antioxidant, also helps other antioxidants work better. We've got several ceramides, 5, which help replenish the skin, help with hydration, and help with their skin barrier. And then ascorbyl palmitate, which is a fat-soluble form of vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Drunk Elephant is cruelty-free, so I always love that about them. Whenever I pick up a Drunk Elephant product, I can generally know that they're cruelty-free, going to be well packaged, and generally fragrance-free. So they're a little bit more expensive. At least I know I'm getting that typically. Okay, then in terms of performance, delivers a nice dose of beneficial ingredients and skin-soothing ingredients, electrolytes, leaves skin feeling nice and hydrated and soft in the morning. Works well to prevent dryness from retinoids and acids. Does contain a few acneogenic ingredients such as squalane, jojoba seed oil, corn oil, acetyl alcohol, vitamin E, and ascorbyl palmitate. So it does have quite a few acneogenic ingredients. So keep that in mind if you are very, very prone to breakouts. I generally think Drunk Elephant tends to make their products for those with dry, sensitive, but non-acne prone skin. That's my opinion on it. You might have a different one, but that's kind of where I think they tend to go. Okay, price. So this is the full size, which is 1.69 ounces or 50 milliliters, and it retails at $52, which is a bit pricey, which makes it just over $1 per milliliter. So I think that amount I used on my hand, that's like $1 right there. Wish I could charge my hand for the $1, but anyway, it's pricey. There's much more expensive products out there, but there's also a lot more affordable products. So it just depends on where your price point is, how much you think you would use. I feel like when I mix it with retinol, I'm using half the amount I would normally use, so I feel like it lasts a little bit longer that way. Then when we come to the it factor, well-packaged, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, full of good ingredients. Fits into most routines very easily, and those, although those with acne-prone skin might want to be a little cautious because there are a few ingredients that might cause breakouts. But overall, I liked it, so I gave it the it factor. And had the price been just a bit more affordable, this would have got a 10 out of 10, but instead it gets a 9 out of 10, which is still pretty good. So certainly worth checking out if you're not on a budget or if you think you could make it last longer. I don't know. I think one of these lasts, I'm on my 3rd, and I think one of these lasts a little over 2 months. So it's better than some other products. And you know what? At least if you spend a bit more, you know you're getting something that's pretty good for your skin. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to try this and what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.